She's like, I wanna eat you up right now. Today we are going to talk about 5 things that women notice about you. What's up, my guys? It's your boy, the Inspired Alpha, and you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Help me get there. Let's jump into the video. Now, I am going to break this video from when she sees you from a distance to when you approach to after approach. And number 1, the way you walk. My guys, the way you walk gives people something to assume about you. So, how do you walk? Ask yourself, how do you walk? Do you walk slouched over, looking down, looking confused? Or do you walk looking forward, shoulders back, chest out, with a purpose? Do you walk with fast steps, or do you walk with calculated steps, measured steps, like you're going somewhere important? Women are attracted to guys that seem to have a sense of direction. So when you walk, make sure your chest is out, your shoulders are back, you're looking forward, because you want to give that assumption that you're a confident man. And I know you're a confident man, but you have to show it. People don't assume you're confident. They see the confidence radiating in you by the way you walk. Walk with a purpose. Number 2, a woman will notice your body. As you come closer, she will start to evaluate you and say, are you a dad bod? Are you skinny? Are you buff? But this is something that they cannot overlook, because it's your body. It's your body, it's you. So they will look at, are you in shape? Are you, like, they'll just look at your physique. That is something that, it's not something that you have to worry about. But being in shape will give you high chances with women, because they will, first of all, being in shape is really attractive, and getting in shape shows that you have discipline, you work hard, you work on yourself, you love yourself, you respect yourself, you take care of yourself. That is why you like looking good, you like going to the gym, you're on your grind. So that is something that you should not stress about. Although I am stressing, go work out. At least put on some muscle, or lose that fat. Be in a good shape. Number 3, your style. Women will always notice your style, the way you dress. Now, you don't have to wear designer clothes or wear three-piece suits. It's just that your style is what fits you, what fits your body right, and brings your best shape or your best qualities to life. So wearing well-fitting clothes, that is something crucial, because if you wear baggy clothes, you don't show off your body. You don't show off your, if you don't show, I don't know if you understand. If you wear fitting clothes, when you wear fitting clothes, they make you look more attractive, because they make you look organized. You have order. When you wear really tight clothes or really baggy clothes, it shows that you don't really understand style. And people with good with a nice taste of smile or a good taste of style have a good taste of life. So make sure you are wearing clothes that fit you. Shoes, make sure you have clean shoes. Women look at shoes. Even men, this is something that we look first. The first thing you look at are shoes, man. So wear clean shoes. Make sure you have nice shoes. Your smell. Now we started from your walk, your body type. Now you're coming closer. She sees your style, it's on point. And now when you're coming to say hi, before you even say hi, the smell, you smell so good. She's like, I wanna eat you up right now. So make sure you have a nice cologne. Take a bath and wear clean clothes and a nice cologne. Not the cheap stuff and not certainly the most expensive, but something nice, something that's unique, something that is going to mix with your body and bring out that uniqueness. Like, she'll be smelling you, she'll be like, man, you smell so good, damn. I just wanna, I don't know, you guys feel me. Let me tell you a story. So this one time I was actually going to school in college, and I remember I passed these two ladies. They were like, Then later in the day when we met, they were like, man, you smell so good. And they were like, they were intrigued to know me, because, man, not many, I'm telling you, not many guys do this. Your style is on point, your body is on point, your walk is on point, and you smell good. The only thing remaining is you just saying hi, hey, introduce yourself, man. But the smell is a signature. Let your smell be your signature, man. This is now after you have approached her, the way you carry yourself. Women look at guys, the way they carry themselves, to kind of assume their personality. You should carry yourself like a high value guy, a high status person. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you look at people, the way you handle yourself, the way people treat you. Women look at these things, the way you treat people. They want to gauge and see, is this guy really above me or below me? Because women are attracted to guys who they perceive as higher value than them. And how do they know you are high value? By the way you carry yourself. Are you cool and laid back? Are you fidgeting? Are you looking down? Can you maintain eye contact? Are other guys respecting you, or are they teasing you? So carry yourself like you are the king, like you're the shit, like you own the fucking world. So my guys, those were 5 things that women notice. Make sure all of them are on point. Yeah, I'm out. Subscribe and like the video.